So hey everyone, so in this video we are going to be continuing the binary search tree playlist, and we are going to be learning how to solve another binary search tree interview question, which is known as is valid binary search tree. Now you may be wondering when a binary search tree is said to be valid. So for all the nodes in a binary search tree, a binary search tree is said to be valid when all the nodes on the left hand side of a particular node have a value smaller than that particular node, and all the values on the right half of that particular node have a value larger than this particular node. This value holds true. This property holds true for all the nodes in the binary search tree. Let us dive into the code of is valid binary search tree question. So the method signature suggests that the return type is boolean, which means the output could be true or false. The name of the method is valid. The method takes in three inputs. The object of the tree_node class. Let's assume we have created a tree_node class with link to left child, link to right child, and the data of that tree_node. Uh, so of the tree_node. Then the other inputs that we're passing to this particular function is valid is min and max. With the help of min and max, we are going to be deducing if a binary search tree is valid. So as a property of the binary search tree suggests that for any particular node or any particular level, so all the nodes on the left hand side of this particular node have a value smaller than this particular node, and so all the values on the right hand side of this particular node have a value larger than this particular node. And with the help of min and max, we are going to be deducing whether the binary search tree is valid. Let's dive into the code. So the first line of code suggests that for invalid inputs, that means if min and max are null, that means we cannot compare the value of any node of the binary search tree to any value. Hence, we would return false as there is no value of the binary search tree node to make comparisons with. That's why we are returning false. Now, let's say the node we have passed as an input to the method is valid is null, which means that there is no node, and as there is no node, how can comparisons be made? And for a null tree, actually as there are no nodes, no comparisons are made, and hence we return true. For the valid inputs, so this if block checks if min and max are not null, which means there are values that the node is going to be compared against, and if there are valid inputs, then we are going to be returning these three lines of code, which suggests we are going to be returning if node has a value less than min or node has a value greater than max, and this property holds true for left and right, which means the property of the binary we are going to be returning if the property of the binary search tree holds true not only for that node or any node in the binary search tree, but even for the left and right child of that particular node. And then we end off with closing the method, closing all the curly brackets that we had once opened. Thank you.